Alright, mid-90s in Ohio right now. I'm just gonna hide out here a little bit this morning, burn some time before I gotta meet some guys on houses that we're working on. Trying to get 2 finished and flipped. The market is definitely rolling back. We're a little late on it, but we got busy, so. The wife's 1974 Super Beetle. Thought I'd just do a quick, longer video. Finally back into a roller. Had the tires taken off and painted, sandblasted and painted the rims with the Chrysler Stone White. I think it turned out fantastic. I ended up doing front and back of the rims, and so you can kind of see what they look like on it. I thought it was a nice little touch. We'll see how long it lasts. But I took the time, clear coated it, put the sandable primer on it, and she should last a little bit. Looking good. I'm currently working on the gas tank here this morning. There's 1,000 videos on YouTube on taking these things in and out on Volkswagen Beetles, but I think it's Slade VW Beetle. That guy is just pure heart. Gutting it out in a small shop, essentially on the floor of floor jacks, working on these beautiful German machines. So pretty helpful checking out his videos. They're pretty detailed, and like I said, that dude's just pure heart grinding it out like that. Got the new tank in. I'm gonna hook up the new center unit here in a little bit. Ended up getting the new vapor hoses back, put it on top there. This, I got a short video on how to replace the rubber seal that's up here. I'm gonna do a short video here in a little bit on putting, this is the old one, you have to cut it off really to just kind of weld it on there. New one is got from J-Bugs. They come longer than this, but I cut it in half. And then the 2 clamps, obviously you think that's kind of self-explanatory, but I'm gonna do a short video on that. Whew, yeah. She's looking real good though. I'm happy with it. I do have, I'll get the hood polished and, well, I guess this is the trunk. The boot polished, back on, put spare tire back in it, done. Here's a punch list. I'll check a few more things off here. On the inside, I have the pedal assembly all put together with the upgraded roller pedal and clutch extension. So I'll attach it and hook it to the new throttle cable and the new clutch cable. A little bit of grinding and seam seal here, and this interior is ready to go back in. I got videos on how I did the shifter bushing on a Super Beetle, because you can't, there's no access up front like the early Beetles, so that was tricky. I got videos on that. Interior punch list. And then back here's pretty much my next move after I get that pedal assembly in. I got a rusty crusty spot right there and a rusty crusty spot right there. And I think I'm gonna paint this black, or I might go with the blue. Not quite sure. I'll leave that up to the wife. Yeah, I gotta finish cut and polish that. We found a guy up north who does Volkswagen motors. We're on his waiting list and we're getting close. So this is the original factory motor. Numbers matching. He's going to do it 74 horse, which is plenty for this 1,800 pound vehicle. And fuel injection. So this should kind of bulletproof it for the wife hitting the Walmart runs or small car shows. This is my first build. I'm so glad she let me do it. I'm pretty natural at building stuff. And I have been wanting to do this since I was a kid, climbing around my dad's construction equipment, tow cranes, vintage pickup trucks with lumber racks, junkyards. I've been a model builder since I was 8. So finally I just said, I'm doing it. She let me do it. And yeah, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I've got 2 or 3 more projects I ended up buying. I got videos on those also, so drop back and check those out. Hit the like buttons on those. Share. Let's see, should take about another 10 minutes. I should have this done, and then I have got to shoot and scoot. Yeah, the world's going crazy. You guys just disconnect. I know this is all just white noise on YouTube. Everything's just white noise now. Just keep it together. I'm doing this just to block it all out. I got no control over anything that's going on right now. This is for my sanity, and it's working. You guys know the routine. Like, subscribe, share. comment, let's talk some shop.